pa man ko kandidato no, and I feel support ni former President Rodrigo Duterte, but siguro hulaton na lang siguro nato kanang naa na gyud ang contest na makita na nato kinsa na ang mga kandidato for the 2028 presidential election. Well, I am confident that I did not break any law. I did not do anything illegal. Pero syempre sa makita nato karon na murag wala na may rule of law, no. So pag naang kaso, amo ala gyapon atubangon. Gumawa kami ng mga inventory of cases base sa mga nabasa namin sa media, based on interviews sa mga different agencies of government, House of Representatives, Department of Justice, NBI, and PNP. And then for each case na I-assign lawyer. Ako lang, sabi niya na since hindi ko tatanggapin yung pera, mag-lawyer siya para sa akin. So sinabi niya, he will collaborate. He will be a collaborating counsel for all cases.
So he'll be one of the lawyers?
Yes, he'll be one of the lawyers for all the cases. Mo yang ginaingon. And he's preparing his documents karon sa IBP so that he can sign as a lawyer of good standing.